How to enable remote desktop RDP in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can enable RDP via settings on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So open up settings in your device. Once you open up settings, now navigate to the search bar at the top, and there now you can directly search for a remote desktop settings. Click on it. And here make sure that your home edition of Windows 11 supports the remote desktop feature. So if it supports, here on this section, you will find a toggle to turn on the remote desktop. So click on the toggle that says remote desktop to turn it on. After that, again click confirm when prompted. Under this, you could also go to the advanced settings, and there you could check your PC name, and after that allow connections only with the network level authentication, which is best recommended for the security. So if your home edition supports the remote desktop, you could directly turn on via these settings. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.